I have 28 agents running 24/7 around the clock. And today we're gonna do a deep dive into Muddy OS. I'm gonna show you how I wired things together, and I'm gonna give you your own prompts to build your very own multi-agent setup within Openclaw. So without squirrel ado, let's build. All right, so as you can see here on the screen, here's my org chart. Me up top, right? I'm the CEO, I'm the vision, the strategy, the final decisions. I have Muddy, which is my primary Openclaw agent. He handles research, he delegates, he's my executive assistant. I created this system in a way to where his chat is always available to me unless I say, do it now. If his chat is queued and I didn't tell him to do it now, he failed, right? So he also has these 3 community agents that report directly to him. Currently, 1 of 3 are active as we're still sorting out those other 2. But as you can see here, I have a C-suite team. I have a CTO named Elon. Shout out Elon Musk. I have a CMO named Gary. Shout out Gary Vaynerchuk. And then I have a CRO named Warren. Shout out Warren Buffett. Now, on top of that, I incorporated this stand-up feature, where now they have a weekly and monthly calendar view. But as you can see here, every morning they run their own executive sync. They have their own shared workspace meeting memory files. So they're never repetitive. They know what was done the day before, the week before. They reference that, right? To see the progress that we've made on our weekly syncs. And then I have this monthly calendar just to kind of keep tabs on everything to make sure everything's actually operational. As you can see here, Saturdays, they're off. I don't have them working Saturdays. Saturday is my infra day where I upgrade the back end. I do any major overhauls to the system. It generally requires me to take the system offline for infra Saturdays. So I decided to just give them the day off. But as you can see here, it's been smooth sailing since Sunday the 15th. And I gotta say, I'm very happy with it. So here's my current org chart. Right? Here's all of my agents in place. I have Muddy, my COO, my main orchestrator. He has his own workspace with his own heartbeat. The same with Elon, my CTO. He has his own workspace with his own heartbeat. Same with Gary, our CMO, his own workspace with his own heartbeat. Don't just copy paste this. I built each agent out to fit a task. When I first started this, there were like 1 or 2 sub-agents. And then I started building out more agents and more sub-agents as my system grew, as I realized what I wanted to build, right? Now, moving along, this is something you can screenshot and feed to your Openclaw agent, but the prompts I'm about to show you below, it'll set all this up for you, but I did want to give you, an example of, you do need to set an ID per multi-agent. You do need to set a primary model for that agent as well. Inter-agent communication. These are very, very key. So screenshot this, and when you're following along with the prompts later on, you have to feed this to your Openclaw agent. So to enable agent-to-agent messaging, you have to make sure sessions_send is set as a tool. Session key is the ID. This is what happens when I send a front-end or back-end related issue to Muddy. Muddy then delegates it to Elon, right? And it says, hey, Elon, blog deployment on CSS is broken. Can you have Pixel look into it, right? Because everything's predefined based off of the number of agents and sub-agents that I've created. Now, delegated task. This is something I personally wanted. Not everybody uses it, but I want to make sure that, Muddy fires, right? Fires and forgets about the task himself, right? He gets the report back and pings me once it's done, but it's not his responsibility to execute unless I say, do it now. Those are the 3 words that if I say it at the very end of a prompt, Muddy will bypass all agent infrastructure and do it himself, which sometimes is necessary, right? Now, C-suite chat. So screenshot this, feed it to your agent. All right, so what you came here for, the prompts. Here's what I would recommend. Screenshot this, feed it to your agent. Discuss the type of setup that you would like, right? So prompt number 1, create a new Openclaw agent with name, with role, called name. Now, prompt number 1, create a new Openclaw agent called name with role. Give it a sole MD with personality traits. Give it an identity defining its responsibilities. Set up agents MD with a startup sequence. Read sole, identity, memory. Create an empty memory MD. The agent should report to chief and specialize in specialty, right? And as I mentioned above, you want to set up sessions send so that as agent A can message agent B, right? And then you test with a simple delegation. Have A ask B to task and report back. Now, this is the true unlock with automations and multi-agent teams. This is where you start getting things rolling, right? So you want to set up heartbeats and crons. Crons are scheduled tasks. I highly recommend for each cron, you have a skill. There should be a custom workflow that you create that you define in a skill that's yours and yours alone. You have no need to share this to anybody, right? Create a cron job that runs an agent every, so-and-so frequency to do this task. You always want to reference the skill that you create here. Now, prop number 4, autonomous meetings. Set up a daily executive sync at time. The meeting should read, last 2 to 3 transcripts, run 3 rounds of debate, generate a transcript, create a voice audio, and ping Telegram with summary. This is exactly how mine works. Now, going back to our org chart here, you have to first take the time to build your organization, right? Following these 4 prompts are not going to yield you these results. You know what you're looking for better than anybody else. So don't just copy me outright. Don't be a bum. Don't be lazy, okay? Build out your own system for you. Build out your own team for you. Then use these prompts for you, for your workflows, for the specific agents that you have, for the specific intercommunication that you want. And yeah, listen, if you want to follow along and watch me build a brand new Openclaw instance from scratch, well, starting this week on Wednesdays, the first week of March, I'm doing a completely free bootcamp every Wednesday on our YouTube live streams. No paywall, no gate, nothing. Free. So in about 8 weeks, it's going to be complete. I'm aiming to have 7 or 8 episodes in this mini series. And what's beautiful about this is you can follow along and watch me build Muddy OS from scratch. It's going to look a little different, but we're going to rebuild all of the functionality. We're going to rebuild the ops. We're going to rebuild the brain. We're going to rebuild the laboratory. We're going to rebuild it all live. So subscribe if you aren't already. Hit like, comment below. Let me know that you're interested in that content. And yeah, I look forward to seeing you at those live streams. So I hope you found some value in today's video. I'm not an AI expert. I'm building in public and sharing what actually works. If you'd like to see me make a particular video around a specific topic, drop a comment below. Let me know who you are, what you do, who your target audience is, and what your question is. And I will add a video to my queue, custom tailored just for you. Thank you so much for tuning into today's video. My name is Marcelo, this is Clearmud, and clarity matters.